Hi, my name is Ali Talai. I am an attorney and my practice area includes trust and estate, business planning, and probate law. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about how a living trust can help your family. There are several parts to an estate plan, one of them being a living trust. Common factors that prompt someone to create a trust includes privacy, tax benefit, avoiding probate, and caring for family members with special needs. Estate planning also lets you dictate how your assets will pass on to future generation after your death, including ways to provide them asset protection against future creditors, divorce, or bankruptcy. One of the primary reasons for creating an estate plan is to avoid probate. Unlike a will, a fully funded living trust will avoid probate, which is typically a lengthy and costly court-supervised process. Probate includes locating and determining the value of the deceased asset, paying off any outstanding bills, taxes, and then distributing the remaining value of the estate to the deceased rightful beneficiaries or heirs. Avoiding probate is often a top reason for creating an estate plan, and there is no surprise as to why. First, probate can be a costly way to transfer your asset upon your death. Second, it is very time-consuming and emotionally draining for your family. It can take from a year to a year and a half or even longer to complete the probate process. Complications such as a contested will or an inability to find a clear record of all the deceased's assets and debts and can extend this timeline. Finally, probate proceedings are a matter of public record, so when your estate goes through this process, there is no privacy. While a living trust can help you avoid probate, it can also provide you with tax savings, especially if your estate is subject to death tax, also known as estate and gift taxes. Of course, there are many types of trust. One way to think about this is to consider a toolbox. For example, there are numerous kinds of screwdrivers, hammers, power tools, and so on. Each tool has its intended use. Trusts are no different. When you work with us, we'll make sure to align the type of trust with the tax saving needs and other goals for your family. It is important to understand that a trust only controls assets that are inside the trust. In other words, you must place these assets in the trust, commonly referred to as funding the trust. Also, because our lives are always changing, marriage, childbirth, home purchase, tax laws, it is essential to continually update and monitor the funding of your trust over your lifetime. For these reasons, you will want to work closely with your estate planning attorney to make sure your assets are properly aligned with your trust. This will not only help you get organized, but it will also make things easier for your heirs when you pass away. You don't have to do it alone. We are here to help you and your family. We provide all our clients with a free trust review every 3 years to make sure their assets and their trust stays up to date. Call us today, 818-992-2901. I look forward to speaking with you and thank you for listening to this video.